Good morning. Today's March 20th, 2019, and today's refinishing project is located in Walnut Creek, California. Okay, so today we're going to be refinishing these Formica countertops here. The customer wants to obviously update the color to a more neutral, modern type of color, so we're going to be refinishing these countertops in a China white. The countertops are in good condition, the Formica, considering these are from the original from 1970s, somewhere around there. Let's swing around here, take a look at the other side. These countertops typically take around 4.5 hours, 5 maybe at the most, to fully prep and refinish them. Okay, so we just finished the countertops here in Walnut Creek, California. Let's take a look at them. Here's the bar top right here. Swing around and look at the other side here. Big improvement from the Harvest Gold before. So there you have it. So if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.